And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to my kitchen again. And today, in today's video, I'm going to take you on a step-by-step on how to achieve this particular dish that you're looking at now. This is a vegetable chicken teriyaki stir fry. So guys, these are all the ingredients. This is quick and easy Asian style stir fry. This is a chicken stir fry and we're only using a very few ingredients: our vegetables, our aromat, and a few vegetable, red bell pepper, carrot, as well as broccoli. This is all that we're going to use to make these ingredients to make this chicken stir fry. And what we have here that I'm going to be using to season the chicken as well as add when I'm going to be stir frying is this one is teriyaki sauce. So this is teriyaki sauce. This you can get in most grocery stores, especially the Asian grocery stores. So I'll be using this to marinate the chicken. The next is soy sauce. Soy sauce is also basic. It's something that you can get from anywhere that you're getting. This one you'll be able to get the soy sauce as well. The next, I'm going to be adding these two to marinate the chicken, or actually these three: the soy sauce, this one, and this one. I'm going to be eyeballing the sauce, okay? I'm not going to be measuring it. And here goes the teriyaki sauce. You know, when you're making Asian dish or Asian inspired dish, there are some things that are like you have to have. And then just a dash of soy sauce, because soy sauce is a little bit well, this one is actually not too bad, but still yet I'm going to be adding some salt as well, just a little bit of salt. This is salty, so I don't want to add way too much salt. So I'm adding a little bit of salt. Add salt to your taste, okay? So I'm going to have this marinate in the fridge. I'll give it a good half an hour minimum. Alright guys, so this is my chicken. This chicken has been in the fridge for about more than an hour now. So I'm ready to start grilling the chicken in my favorite grill pan. Chicken is cooking up very nice, guys. It is cooking up very nice. See that? Sometimes it might get stuck or sticky, but look at that. You see, try it. Buy this. Actually, this grill pan, I bought this particular one from IKEA, from IKEA. But you can buy it from Walmart, you can buy it from Amazon, you can buy it like everywhere, almost everywhere you can buy this from. So you can see. Thinking maybe I should or should not. I will just let. So guys, this is our chicken now, rested for more than 10 minutes, and that I checked, it's already cooked through. And now I'm just going to chop everything up in this size, and then my vegetable is also ready. I already diced up my vegetable, my red pepper, carrot, onion, and then some broccoli. So this is how I chop the chicken, so that I just chop it up in the diagonal so that it has this shape, or it's in this size. But this chicken, I'm telling you guys, it is so juicy. It is so juicy. And this, the tamari, the sesame and tamari sauce, it gives it this kind of I don't even know how to explain. It gives it this kind of unique taste. When you're making this, you see the juice that came out of the chicken, don't throw it away. That's flavor. We're going to be adding it back into the sauce, into the stir fry. Okay, this is your chicken stock, don't throw that away. So here I have about 2 teaspoons of oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, vegetable oil, whatever you have you can use. But guys, if you're hearing my daughter, it is my favorite daughter, Abigail, who is my kitchen helper. I guess she's going to become a celebrity chef one day. So she's always in the kitchen with me whenever I'm cooking. Most of the time I'm cooking, she's in the kitchen with me. So if you're hearing her voice, she's here. Right, Abigail?
Yeah.
You're here again?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for being mommy's helper. Are you mommy's helper?
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you.
This one is
If you're watching my video and you haven't subscribed, why haven't you subscribed? Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you won't miss my new videos. I post videos on a weekly basis, so kindly subscribe. Just the red button down, you can just hit the red button, make sure that it turns gray, and also when it turns gray, that says that you've subscribed. Hit the bell notification. The bell notification have to turn green, so you'll be notified once I post a new video. And also remember to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like this video, share it with your family and friends. If you have any social media, share it on social media. You don't know who is going to benefit. Curry powder, the same curry powder that I always use. I always eyeball most of my ingredients. If you have noticed me, some of them, if it calls for a measurement, I will give you the measurement. But if you've been cooking for some time now, it's more like an eyeball kind of thing. So now this is ready. I'm going to add the chicken. So this is very quick and easy stir fry. Our vegetable teriyaki chicken stir fry. So this is the chicken. I'm just going to add everything all at once and stir fry it together just for a little bit. More of the teriyaki sauce. I'm going to add maybe about a tablespoon of teriyaki sauce. After all, it is a teriyaki chicken. The broccoli, and then add back the juice from the chicken. Okay. And I'm just going to cover it to steam for a couple of minutes. I'm not going to add any water to this. I'm not going to be adding any water. Just that juice alone is enough to cook the broccoli. I don't want the broccoli to be soggy. I just want it a little bit crispy. So guys, look at that. Look at that. Our stir fry is ready in no time. This as a meal, it is a complete meal on its own. If you're on a diet, any kind of diet, somebody like me, this is perfectly within your calorie diet, I'm sure. Okay, it's a tad sweet because of the teriyaki sauce. The teriyaki is a little bit sweet. It has a little bit of sugar in it, but it is not overly sweet. Okay, let's have a taste. My goodness, this is so yummy. Have it this way. Either way is perfectly fine. Okay, so that's it. That's our chicken stir fry vegetable chicken teriyaki. came together in no time. So go ahead and make this for yourself or for your family today. Food is a mouthful. What I'm trying to tell you is a mouthful as well. Enjoy.